Now, the starter for our curry box is the classic French moules marinières. You've got a bottle of wine here with your box, so I suggest you pour a bit of that and enjoy while you make this, because it's dead simple, not a lot of work to do here. We've got this, which is the onion and butter mix, which we've already cooked for you. This normally takes 5 or 6 minutes to cook. You're going to pop that in a pan and melt that down. And then we've got these wonderful West Country mussels here. They're grown on a rope, hardly any beards. Just make sure, just give them a tap, make sure they're still alive and they close. And then any that are open at this point, just discard. First thing I'm going to do is chop this parsley. You don't have to chop it too fine, just nice and rough, like so. Now add your onion and butter mix to the pan on a medium heat and let melt for a while. Then add your mussels, turn up the heat, add a glug of wine and cover with a lid. Cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, then open the lid, have a look and make sure all the mussels are nicely opened. Been cooking for 3 or 4 minutes and now I'm just going to finish them off with some parsley, like so. So the main course for the curry box is our Indonesian seafood curry. So here we've got some cod, some sea bass, some prawns. We've got Indonesian curry base sauce, which we've made, which is pre-seasoned, and add some coconut milk to that to make the curry. And then a side salad of fine green beans, coconut, crispy shallots, and a dressing. And that's all served with some rice, which you pop in the microwave. Dead simple, but honestly one of the best curries in the world. So for the salad, very simple, just pour the green beans in. Then add your coconut, then add your crispy shallots, and then for the dressing give it a shake and just pour it over the salad, and that is your salad done. For the Indonesian curry, start with the base, add that to a pan and then the coconut milk on top. Give it a shake and bring it to the boil. Once it starts to boil, add all the fish and cover with the lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. So there you have it, our famous Indonesian fish curry, served with a green bean and coconut salad, and of course, some rice. Okay, so you've enjoyed your Indonesian seafood curry, and now for the dessert. What we're going to do here is a eaten mess with passion fruit. So first thing you need to do is make a chantilly cream. So for that I've got some cream here. There we go, double cream in. And then your vanilla sugar. And then whisk that until it forms soft peaks. So take about a minute and a half. Nearly the consistency we want, a couple more whisks. Just so you can see nice ribbons coming through the cream like that, and it holds onto the whisk, like so. Sort of like Mr. Whippy ice cream texture. So here's the pavlovas. This one's fared pretty well in the post, but so all you're just going to do is just break that up into your cream. And this one, not fared quite so well, so it's already quite well broken up for us. Again, straight in, and then we're just going to fold the cream through it, like so. And just all that passion fruit straight in. One last mix. Cut the final passion fruit for your garnish. So a nice big spoon of that wonderful passion fruit and eaten mess mixture. And just garnish it with some more passion fruit on the outside. So there you have it, a classic eaten mess with a twist. Passion fruit, chantilly, pavlova,